ridiculously tall.
We're going to go little by little.
Something's happening. Someone's home to the well. Good morning. Oh, wow. What's happening? What's all of it? They're doing stuff all right. This is coming out of here.
My boss just told you to install a herb-free for that 31 days and they quit working. 31 to 35 days, and too many times people were buying them, especially along bullhead. People would go get them, and they'd be cracked out within 31 to 35 days every time. After his 5th time in 6 months, time to go pull it back out, he goes, "You got to buy a good pump, or we're not putting any more in your well."
That makes sense.
So you got to try to go and pull it back out because we'll give them like a year warranty. He goes, "We got to go and re-put your well to keep replacing this pump 5 times already in 6 months."
Yeah, it doesn't even make sense. It's like a waste of money.
They store pump, so it's
sitting on top of the pump.
Oh my gosh!
It's actually very lucky it actually came out without on top of it with a weird way of pulling it. So at some point, someone tried to screw it together and dropped it all.
Oh my gosh!
So is this the wire wrapping on this button?
It's wire right there. Looks like got no wire guard. 97 date code on the motor, on the pump. 1D97. So that's
where are we at?
My hands loosen up for a second. They are stiff.
It'll come up to like 5,000. So, yeah,
Okay, we got the start of our gate going here. Oh, the water guy. Was that hard? I saw TJ with the axe.
It was really hard, actually.
Good job, TJ.
Nice.
Ooh. I've been working on the railroad all the long day. Okay, so we're still waiting for the water to be done. The pump is almost in. We didn't get the pump replaced because the one that we have, or the existing pump, still works. And I'm not really trying to pay $2-3 grand for a new pump. I'm not trying to pay a new pump right now. Water right down here to our gate. Cement those posts in. And then we're headed back to the RV.
It's freezing. That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got some stuff happening.
Yeah, this is the last, it's the top part.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what's up.
And so that control box is just going to have a little electric socket that I just put into the generator. Okay.
Yeah. Pull out your cord and a plug in.
Don't bend there.
All right. New well system hooked up. So that means I got water after I go get a generator that can fit that plug. They got my little pull-out, electrical pull-out. What's up? Control box. Yeah. Work today, got the well halfway, got the well working. New pipes installed, new PVC, 80 mil. I just did this. Put my own gate up. Put the post in, cemented them in the ground. Put the gate up, shelling. I gotta do some more work. Put a tire down there or something. But other than that, it's pretty Gucci, I think. We'll see. See in a couple of days. Ooh, that's an ugly piece of wood. All right, signing out.